Today we are looking at a fully reconditioned Almaco small bundle thresher. In a minute we're going to fire this unit up so you can see how well it runs. This unit is powered by a single phase, half horsepower electric motor. When we rebuild these units, we set them up with this nice variable speed blower fan. This allows you to tailor the airflow to the needs of your product. It's controlled by this switch here, this knob. You turn it, and that allows you to tailor the airflow and the speed of the blower fan. Open up the concave here so you can see it. As you can see, it's very clean. We replaced all of the rubber components here and the beater bars on the concave drum there. The unit is also on this nice wagon here. As you can see, makes it very easy to pull through the field and position. We'll just do a walk around of the unit so you can see it before we run it. It's very clean, it's in very nice condition. Alright, we have the unit connected to our power source. It runs off of 110 volts. You plug it into the wall outlet. We have the switch here. Unit fires right up. The motor runs good, starts right up, has plenty of power. Hums along, there are no irregular noises. You can see the inside of the threshing chamber there. Your product out of the test plot is introduced here. Goes through the threshing chamber. That breaks it off of the stock and breaks the hulls off of the grains. The hulls and light chaff are then aerated by the blast fan here. They're blown away. And then the threshed grain that you can do tests on is discharged here. It's just an all-around nice unit. It's ready to go back to work for a long time.